Hello guys, my name is Carlos Catari. I'm from Venezuela, living in Canada. I bought math course to mastery and monetization, and honestly, it's the best investment I have done in courses in my life. I have invested in many areas, in many trainings, and this is by far the most amazing, detailed, step by step what to do course that I have ever taken. I honestly tell you, it should be more expensive. It's a bargain. Everything math shares with us is just what you need to know for this new business that we want to make. And because honest, that's the way he see his channels. He sees them as businesses. So don't hesitate to take it. It's the best investment you're gonna make. It's the first time I let somebody who is 19 years old to teach me when I am 36 years old. It's the first time I let somebody younger than me to teach me, but his experience, his expertise, his results give him the authority to teach, and the way he does it is just amazing. So don't hesitate, just take it, and you're gonna be in the best path to your success. Bye bye.